Alright, so we're going to go ahead and make a screen timer here today. What I've done is already have my clip that I would like to put the timer on and got everything set up for that. So the first thing that you'll do is go over to the titles, click on text plus, and drag that onto the timeline where you would like to go. And then you can go ahead and right click that, click to change clip duration, and put it out however long that you would like. And I always put just about another 30 milliseconds at the end just for a little bit of extra time. And we will go ahead and make this one into a 1 minute clip. So once you have that, you will then go up and wherever you have your select that, so then you'll see what the what's coming across. I go down and select time code, and then that'll show you your time. You can then change how much you would like to see by changing the right on. So I just want this to be down to the minutes and seconds and not the milliseconds. So we'll change it and shorten it up to about right there. The next thing that you can do is change this into a compound clip and then just select the name. So I usually put timer and then create. And now what you can do is actually go in and make it a reverse timer if you would like. So you go in and right click, go to retime controls, and those will pop back up. Click on this little spot and then go reverse segment, and then that'll make it go the opposite way around. You can then also change exactly where you want your timer to show up by just clicking over the position X, and I usually like mine down in the right lower side. So then I slide over and then choose your position Y, click and hold, and then you can drag your mouse over to the side and get it to where you would like to be. And then what you have is a really nice little timer. These can go on and go for as long as you would like. All right, thanks a lot.